Model 2015 Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL27dCi 115 business van body, white, panel van mileage, 67,930 engine, 1,598 CCR9M 115 E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average, rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap, retail, £7,195. Click the link